Hey guys, free gift, free cash plus free ice cream on Swiggy Instamart. Interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? As you see here, you can check out these products on Swiggy Instamart with flat 100 off or 125 off by using the payment offers. You have SBI, IDFC and lot more. And here is Milton lunch box. You all know this is leak proof. And this plastic box is oven proof and it is BPA safe. You all know Milton provides good quality authentic products since 50 years, so you can go for it. And here is Nandini ghee. You can check out with good quality on Swiggy Instamart. And you know, this is LCD writing tablet. Once your writing is done, you can erase your writings by going for delete button as shown in the video. You can have fun, learn things. Yes or no? Now we'll check out 9 rupee products on 9 rupee store on Swiggy Instamart. Every day you have lots of noise products. These are eggs at 9 rupees. You can check out. This yolk is a little of orangish, right? Because noise hens are fed with beans and nuts, so you can have lots and lots of protein, being healthy. And you can check out this multi-grain bread as well. It's yum. And you have here 9 rupee product. These are chips, noise chips. These are potato wafers. You can check out. They are M. Next we have Noise chicken nuggets. These are without preservatives and no use of antibiotics. And you can have protein as a snack in the evenings. Yes or no? Or for supper. It's healthy. You can go for it. And tasty as well. You can have it with sauce or ketchup. Here comes Noise mango jelly. It is absolutely 90 rupees, but the taste is amazing. You have jelly inside. It is made of coconut. It's a super good mango drink to chill out this summer. Yes or no? Anyways, we have idli dosa batter of Noise product with stone grounded. You can check out. And here comes lime soda of Noise. It tastes good, but the sugar is high, and you can enjoy the drink of soda. And these are crispy chips from Noise. Okay, going forward, we'll check out free gift plus 1 rupee deals as shown in the video. This is the free gift. You can pick up a free gift of your choice, but the order value should be 99 rupees. Here is ice cream as free gift. This is Go Zero with 44 calories and 0 sugar. I'm super excited to taste it, and it tastes super fresh. This bursts out with Valsania oranges flavor. It's super yum with 0 sugar. Do appreciate this 0 sugar products for such a wow taste. Anyways, you can have this, have more ice cream. This is kulfi, which costs 60 rupees, but I got it at 1 rupee on 1 rupee store of Swiggy Instamart on orders above 199 rupees. You all know. Anyways, it is super sweet. They have put kulfi in a glass jar. Appreciate their packing. This muskmelon, you can get it at 1 rupee on Swiggy Instamart 1 rupee store on orders above 199 rupees. Now we'll check out as how to get free gift plus add 1 rupee or 9 rupee deals on Swiggy Instamart. Use free cash. Go to Instamart as shown in the video. To get a free gift, you have to tap on instasixer when the timer is on. This timer would be visible only when the 6 is hit in the IPL match. You all know these days IPL matches are going on. Anyways, you have to add to cart first 99 rupees worth of products and 1 rupee products also. You can add 50% off store products and then just get back. Instasixer as shown in the video, tap on it. You have just 10 minutes of time to pick your free gift and place your order. Here are 3 options of free gift. Choose any of the free gift you want. Here I chose ice cream, which worth 95 rupees. Go zero ice cream. After you pick your freebie, you cannot change later. Okay, once you pick your free gift, just get back and go to your cart as soon as possible. And here comes free gift added to your cart as shown in the video. Zero sugar ice cream or ice pops is added to my cart. You can add Swiggy one at rupee 1 for 3 months if you want, and add 1 rupee products as well. Go to coupon and apply the coupon. Once you apply the coupon, you can check out. That's it, done. After placing the order, you can enjoy free cash on Swiggy food. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.